Are you tired of staring at charts all day and second-guessing every move on Deriv? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a game changer for your trading journey. We are looking at PivotCore, a powerful auto trading platform specifically designed for Deriv traders who want to automate their success. Trading isn't just about luck, it's about having the right tools and a solid plan. Many traders struggle with emotions, fear, and greed, but that's where automation steps in. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how this platform works and why it's becoming the go-to choice for traders looking to simplify their workflow. Now, let's get into the heart of the strategy. Today, I'm focusing on the even-odd contract type. This is one of the most popular ways to trade because of its statistical consistency. My plan for this session is simple yet disciplined. I am placing a series of 10 trades with a goal of winning at least 5 of them. Why 5 out of 10? Because with proper money management and the right entry points provided by PivotCore's algorithm, winning 50% of your trades can still keep your account in the green. Watch how the bot analyzes the last digits and executes trades with precision that a human simply can't match. It removes the hesitation and enters the market at the exact millisecond required. What makes PivotCore stand out is its seamless integration with your Deriv account. It's built for speed and reliability. Whether you're a beginner who doesn't know how to read complex indicators or a pro looking to diversify your bot portfolio, PivotCore offers a user-friendly interface that gets you up and running in minutes. The beauty of auto trading is that it works for you while you focus on other things. You set your parameters, define your risk, and let the technology do the heavy lifting. As you can see from my live session here, the consistency of the execution is what builds long-term confidence. As we wrap up this session, you can see the results of our 10-trade plan. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint, and tools like PivotCore are the ultimate gear for that race. If you want to take your Deriv trading to the next level and stop manual trading fatigue, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description. Join the community of smart traders today. Don't forget to like this video if you found the strategy helpful and subscribe for more automated trading insights. Let's grow those accounts together. See you in the next one.